So velocity versus time graphs, they can get a little bit tricky when we're trying to use them to describe an object's motion, not with any like math or numbers, but just conceptually. So when we look at the shape of a velocity versus time graph, number one thing that you want to know is that the slope is going to tell us about the acceleration. So if we have a positive slope, the acceleration is positive. If we have a negative slope, the acceleration is negative. The other thing that you want to pay attention to is that when you have data points that are above the x-axis and those like y-axis values are positive, those y-axis values are velocity. So if you have a positive velocity, that's an object that is traveling in the positive direction. On the other hand, if you have points below the x-axis, those are negative velocities, meaning that the object is moving in the negative direction. So sometimes we see velocity versus time graphs where the line actually crosses the x-axis. So this would happen, for example, if you have an object that's tossed up in the air and then it comes back down, the line will cross the x-axis, and anytime that line crosses the x-axis, that shows an object that has changed direction.